found the atmosphere at Qalam very, very, very welcoming. It's very like, it's somewhere you want to be. You're here learning the words of the Prophet all day long. You're around people who want to become better people and who want to be a resource to the community. And then you're around shuyukh who they have dedicated their life to this. It's amazing. It's almost surreal that I am here. It's hard to process. Okay, I was able to find this in Dallas, Texas, of all places. Classes are amazing because it's structured in that I'm learning, I know exactly what I'm going to be learning, but then there's also this aspect of relevant practical discussions coming up in class. It's not just limited to the book, which some of them were written a long time ago, but then I can also discuss, okay, well, how does this apply to our life today and how does this apply to the community that we have in America in the 21st century? And then, yeah, the teachers are incredibly accessible, so I know that I can ask Sheikh, okay, I have a question, do you have 2 minutes? And they'll be like, sure, either right now or in a few minutes. Having that access is yeah, absolutely amazing.